In this tutorial, we will see how to apply GD&T Perpendicularity in TouchDMIS. In GD&T, perpendicularity ensures that a feature, such as a surface or an axis, is at a 90-degree angle to a datum reference. Perpendicularity can be applied to planar and axial features. The tolerance zone for perpendicularity consists of two parallel planes or a cylindrical zone, oriented at 90 degrees to the datum within the specified tolerance. It is important to remember that tolerance is a numeric value, not an angle. The perpendicularity symbol and feature control frame look like these. Let's see how to measure the perpendicularity between two planes using TouchDMIS. First, we need to measure the planes and define the datum we will use as a reference. To define a datum, go to Datuming and select Define Datum. Pick up the reference plane and press OK to define it. Now, we are ready to apply the perpendicularity. Go to Report and select Geometric Tolerances. Select Perpendicularity. Select Datum A and input the tolerance value. Press or tap this button to apply the tolerance to the object. At last, select the plane. Check out values in the result tolerance window and press OK to confirm. Perpendicularity tolerance will be added to the tabulated report. Thanks for watching. See you in the next TouchDMIS tutorial.